Hello, I am Shubham Ram Dongre, basically from Nagpur. I have completed BCom in Commerce in PWS College in 2012. I had great experience with E-Vision online internship program. I came from uh, a non-technical background, and within 45 days of online internship, I got two job offers. First, CMS IT Service Private Limited and Alchemy Technology India Private Limited, with salary offer uh, 3 LPA and 2.7 LPA. Uh, this institute module cover basically networking and computing, virtualization, Windows Outlook, and ITIL, which helps me a lot while facing interviews. Thank you, eVision, and to shape up my career.